What is up, everyone? This is Tech with Francis. I've looked everywhere online to see if I can find the best iPad Pro stand, and so far, none of them do it justice, which for one, I just didn't find aesthetically pleasing. Second, it kind of defeated the purpose of having an iPad Pro in the first place. Now, since Apple has not released a true external monitor support, I had to forget the idea of even using desktop monitors. So today, the goal is to create an inexpensive ergonomic desktop monitor while still utilizing the functionality of a tablet. So without further ado, let's get right to it. What many manufacturers seem to forget is that the iPad Pro comes with built-in magnets. In fact, if you go to your fridge right now, place it on there, just make sure your hand's there to catch it. It should stay put. For whatever reason, these manufacturers don't want to utilize those magnets, except for the Apple Magic Keyboard, and it's worked out pretty well so far. Now, most of the ones I've seen is something like this, where you get something like a stand and you prop your iPad on there, which is fine, but if you're someone like me who's working on their iPad Pro hours on end, you're going to want something that's popped a little bit higher so that you're not looking down all the time. I asked myself, well, what else could I stick it onto? Well, why not a whiteboard? This one I got from my local 99-cent store, Daiso. It's a Japanese 99-cent store. I got it for $1.50. This fits perfectly with my iPad Pro. The one I have is an 11-inch. Yours might be a 12.9-inch, and I know from watching Apple's event today, iPad Air is coming out with something similar that's a 10.9. Again, yours may vary. It may not even be a whiteboard, but the main point is that make sure it sticks on there. And the nice thing about it is actually have a little bit of room at the top where I could stick my Apple Pencil onto. Say I don't want to lose my Apple Pencil, I could also stick it right on. What you're going to want to do is to be able to attach this whiteboard to a swing arm. Now, the one I have in particular is from Amazon, which I got for 12 bucks, and I had to make a hole right in the middle. Now again, yours might be different. I know IKEA has a really good lamp that you can buy for $12, and you could simply take the bulb off and attach it any other way. The end result should look something like this, where you have a hole in the middle and you can secure it to your swing arm. A couple things I like about it is, one, it looks, I mean, look at that, it's really cool. It looks like you're into architecture or something like that. And second, I like how versatile it is. So you can actually fold it down like this, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute, what I do when I have the whiteboard on there. But the other reason is because it has many uses. It's like having an extra hand. I actually use this for my camera or with my projector, and I can show that to you in future videos. But yeah, swing arm's the way to go. What you want to pay attention to is how you attach your back plate to the swing arm. In my case, I found this laying around, and this is actually really useful. It has a little ball joint in there. I like it because you can now position your monitor however you like. What I've done is actually run cables along it and secure it with zip ties. I know some people find ways to get it inside the metal itself, but I'm not gonna do all that. This is Tech with Francis. It's nothing too complicated. These ones in particular is the ones I use for my projector. So what you want to do is grab the whiteboard or whatever other magnetic plate you have, and I simply run it through the hole just like that. Now, if you've done everything correctly and secured it properly, it should look something like this. And there you have it, guys. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on your desktop setups or spend a ton of money on expensive keyboards. Let me know how yours turned out. If you guys have any questions for me or would like to see more content like this, comment down below, click subscribe, and hit that like button. That's it for now. Tech to you soon.